This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Check Effective Permission Rights node in interactive mode. Before you proceed with this tutorial, you should already have learned how this node works, as well as how to create a flow using this node in runtime mode. If you haven't yet completed these tutorials or would like to review, you can access them here. Ready to go? Let's jump in. Drag a Check Effective Permission Rights node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. This should be the controlling device you are checking permissions on. Click on the Event drop-down menu and then select the event to receive event permissions rights for. Enter the device ID. Click the Done button. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Click the red Deploy button on the upper right-hand side of the Node-RED dashboard to deploy this flow. To test the flow, click the square gray box to the left of the Check Effective Permission Rights node. A JSON object should now be printed onto the debug sidebar. Great work! Now that you know how to create a flow using the Check Effective Permission Rights node, it's time to move on to our next tutorial, where you'll learn all about the List Permission Events node.